Now tell me, Tabriz, how was this session?
The session is awesome. Alhamdulillah, I learned many things how to get start into digital marketing. Uh, and with the stuff that you are offering with me is really will help me to get success in digital marketing. Inshallah soon.
Marketing and whatever Shabir is offering in digital marketing, it's impossible to fail as long as I execute everything, right?
Yes, definitely. Sure.
Okay. Now, thank you for giving me this feedback. Now, tell me, what three things did you learn from this session?
The first thing is a strategy behind the digital marketing, and uh, the main thing I have learned from you is that digital marketing is not just a sale. It is means to support people with your experience and with your service.
Not just about trying
Selling
to get a sale or making money. It's more about what?
about serving people
A
with your experience.
problem using your digital marketing skills, right?
Alert
Yes.
from System UI
Okay, what
server.
is the second
Low battery.
learn?
Alert from low battery.
Tell me,
What should be?
what is the second thing you learned?
And the second thing is mm, the first thing is the second thing is um, this mentorship, which I definitely want,
Mhm,
and the environment
mhm.
and environment too.
And the environment,
Yeah,
environment,
in
okay, is important,
is important.
right? Okay, in order to succeed,
Succeed.
okay. So that means you learned that you need to create you. I that means I learned I need to create a positive digital marketing environment,
Environment.
okay,
Yes.
uh, in order to uh, you know progress in the digital marketing world, right?
Yes.
World without a proper environment, it's hard to succeed. Okay, what next? What is the third thing? Hmm. Tell me, just go
Um,
back in your flashback. What is the third thing that you learned from my 1 hour session?
and third thing is uh, the stuff and the training. Training is most important. If I get the proper training, then definitely
Knowledge,
knowledge.
knowledge is applying the right learning, the right knowledge, right?
Yes.
And applying and executing that knowledge is more important. Executing that knowledge is more important, right?
Yes.
Important. That means that I learned that I need to create a
It's
solid
5 o'clock.
virtual digital marketing
The
infrastructure
structure.
in order to get sales, right?
Yes.
And this structure must be solution oriented. Make sense, right?
Yes, Shabir.
Cool. So thank you for giving me this feedback, Brace.